This is the Sport Trek travel trailer, not the fifth wheel. The ST251VFK. At the show, $39,995.
All right.
All right. So this is the front kitchen design, Lisa.
Oh, very nice.
Right, FRK, front kitchen, right?
Yeah.
So, but back up, just turn it around. When you came in, you have some hooks right here, which are nice for hanging jackets. And then you have this closet over here if you want to hide the jackets.
Right, very nice.
And then your control panel is there, right? Straight in, we have our theater chairs. And they are both manual as well as powered. So you have massage and heat, USB charging ports, and regular power there. This goes up for noodling with the loved one. Right across is your TV, soundbar, fireplace. It is at an angle, but it's not horrible. That one doesn't bother me because we're sort of right here with it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just behind Lisa and to my left is your dinette. Traditional dinette setup, meaning your two benches with a table that does go down and convert to a bed. There is storage underneath, which is awesome. But let's look at this.
Huge window.
Yeah, huge. Both of them. Well, this is the bigger one.
Yeah.
But just all the way through, it just brings in a lot of natural light.
Yeah, it does.
But you have the huge window up in the front too.
Right.
Right. Imagine standing up there and cooking.
Yeah.
Right. So nice L-shaped kitchen, Lisa.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. So you've got all of this counter space, which is great for when you're cooking all of those meals that require, you know, all the 37 different ingredients. Plenty of cabinetry up top. This is slanted down because we're at the front of the RV, so you would have limited space there. You do have a wine rack here. Yep. We've got our microwave. We've got a 3-burner stove and an oven. We've got a large single basin sink with a tall faucet. Underneath, look at all that storage that goes all the way back.
Into the back.
Yeah. And behind me, there's some storage drawers. We've got that.
And we got a nice little adjustable pantry.
Yes, we do.
Love that. Yep.
Solid. I love it.
And a 12-volt Furrion fridge.
Yes, with
freezer.
Storage underneath.
Show the freezer as well. There we go. All right, so let's go towards the back. So we have our bathroom right here. We'll sit on this toilet. It's dual entry. Interesting shape for the bathroom, Lisa.
Oh.
It's kind of a triangle.
Okay.
But guess what? This toilet's in a great spot.
Very nice.
Right? It's going to be a little tight for someone bigger than I am, width-wise, shoulder-wise. But leg room, there's plenty. It's just I'm sort of wedged, I feel, in the corner. In a different way because the door is right here.
It
so
is.
the door
I
closed.
I see your arm.
Yeah, I'm right here, so a little tight. You do have a bigger sink here, but a smaller countertop space. There is some storage underneath there, a little bit. You got a medicine cabinet up there. Okay. At my height of 6'4", I can see everything.
Beautiful.
Shower is a corner shower. This will present a few challenges for me, but not that many because you see the ceiling is so high, I don't have to stand in one spot.
Yay.
So I can move around.
Nice.
So this one I would not mind at all whatsoever.
Very
Okay?
nice.
So definitely 2 thumbs up there.
Very nice.
So I'll go in through this door.
And I'll go in this one.
All right, so you have, this would be a residential queen bed. All right, you got some storage underneath.
Very nice.
You've got a couple of hanging cabinets left and right. And then, actually, they're really tall cabinets. You could actually probably put some stuff beneath.
Oh, yeah, very nice.
I mean, they're deep down in there, right?
I like that. So many times, you know, you put your clothes in there and they're all wrinkled at the bottom
Yep,
because the cabinets
not in there.
aren't very tall.
There's some cubbies in the back there.
And they have power back there,
There's power
too.
back there. There's a shelf all the way up in the top, but no doors to keep the stuff in. Okay? All right, let's go check out some more.